Good morning, dear students. It is 10 November 2021, Wednesday. From your book Beehive, Chapter 11, If I Were You, we'll do some extra question answers. Question 1. What is the central idea of If I Were You? Answer. The play If I Were You emphasizes the significance of intelligence, the presence of mind, and a cool head in situations of crisis. Panic complicates matters, but cool temperament can help one wriggle out of the tight corners with ease. Question 2. What lesson do we get from the play If I Were You? Answer. We learn that the intruder was planning to assume Gerard's identity as the police was looking for him. Lucky for Gerard, his cleverness and wit save him from getting killed. Gerard not only successfully saves his own life but also catches a criminal and finds a new plot for his next play too. Question 3. Write character sketches of Gerard and the intruder. First of all, we'll begin with Gerard's character. Gerard is the main character of the play If I Were You. He is a playwright. In the play, we get to know that he is a quiet man and keeps to himself. He doesn't mingle much with people. Despite that, he is an active and a wise man who always keeps his calm even in adverse conditions. He uses his presence of mind to come out of difficult situations. He takes on the intruder with confidence. With his wit and a clever plan, he traps the intruder and thus manages to save himself, probably from being killed. And the second character sketch is that of the intruder. The intruder is a dangerous criminal who had committed the serious crime of murdering someone. He enters Gerard's cottage and threatens him at gunpoint. Although he appears to have a plan, he has a major character flaw. From his actions and dialogues, we know that he is not very confident and is scared. Also, he makes the mistake of revealing his plan to Gerard, who in turn uses it against him. Ultimately, he succumbs to Gerard's plan and thus gets caught. It's time for some MCQs now, dear students. Question 1. Where did Gerard live? A. In a hotel. B. In a house. C. Alone in a cottage. D. In a city. And the correct option is C. Alone in a cottage. Question 2. Who is the writer of this lesson? A. Jane Austen. B. Douglas James. C. Hilary. D. None. And the correct option is B. Douglas James. Question 3. When did the intruder enter Gerard's house? A. When he was sleeping. B. Early morning. C. When he was about to leave his house to deliver props for a rehearsal. D. Midnight. And the correct option is C. When he was about to leave his house to deliver props for a rehearsal. Question 4. What did Gerard say to the intruder when the phone bell rang? A. It's time for rehearsal. B. Police has come. C. It's time to leave. D. All. And the correct option is C. It's time to leave. Question 5. According to Gerard, where could the sergeant be found? A. In the street. B. In the police station. C. In the bar. D. None. And the correct option is C. In the bar. Question 6. What is the meaning of melodrama? A. Display of emotions in exaggerated manner. B. Bad scenes. C. False scenes. D. Vague things. And the correct option is A. Display of emotions in exaggerated manner. Question 7. What, according to the intruder, would stop and scare Gerard? A. Knowledge of intruder's plan of murdering him. B. His true identity. C. Gunpoint. D. His shouting. And the correct option is A. Knowledge of intruder's plan of murdering him. Moving to the last question. Question 8. Why did Gerard lie to the intruder? A. To make him run. B. To give him a false impression. C. To scare the intruder and save himself from him. D. All. And the correct option is C. To scare the intruder and save himself from him. That's it for today, dear children. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.